Hello everyone! Welcome back to Wisdom Bag. Today, let's learn English and explore this beautiful forest. Let's go!
Look around me. The morning mist is everywhere.
I'm walking along this small path. It is a very quiet trail.
Let's take a deep breath. The air is very fresh here.
Look at the leaves. I can see clear dewdrops. A gentle breeze is blowing. It feels a bit cold. Look at this giant tree. It is very old and tall.
The forest is very silent. I only hear nature.
Oh, there is a small squirrel on the branch.
Now, the sunlight is coming through the trees.
Look here. I found some wild mushrooms. Now I am crossing over a small wooden bridge carefully. Look at this wonderful view from the hill. It is amazing. The sun is getting higher now. It is time to head back home. I hope you enjoyed this journey and fun English lesson. Please subscribe to Wisdom Bag for more. See ya!